Hi guys, welcome to Corey and Andy's Pokemon. Today we're going to open 10 packs of Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. 5 for Andy, 5 for Corey. Ready? Let's go. Alright, I'll open it this way. Code.
1, 2,
Pack
3,
trick. 1, 2,
4.
3.
Wait, what do you think my
Energy to the front.
What do you think my energy will be?
I messed up the pack trick. Wait, it goes 2 back here, right?
No. Okay.
Oh, whatever. Energy's gonna be a water.
This is gonna be a psychic.
Oh,
both
both
fighting.
wrong. Fighting energy.
Fighting energy. Hakamo-O.
Bunnelby.
Jigglypuff.
Carablast.
Peking Red Claw.
Spoink.
Jigglypuff.
Salandit.
Houndour.
Mankey.
Sprite.
Staravia.
Stravia.
Gladian. Gladian.
Mystery Bush. What?
Dashing Pouch.
Psychic Memory. And
Alolangia, dude.
Wigglytuff.
Altaria.
Dang it.
Alright, next one.
Okay.
We're messy.
Oops, I hit the light.
Alright, what do we want to pull?
The crossover energy, is it called?
Well, here we go. Here's a code.
Here's a code for you.
Throw this back there. Yeah. Oh, man, I always forget the pack trick. 2,
4.
3. 1 to the front.
I just do 4 to the front.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot. Oh, well. Grass. Yours is going to be a psychic.
Fire. Fire
Swablu.
Oh, I missed the.
Spoink.
Gumpig.
Chimicho.
Mawile.
Jigglypuff.
Emolga.
Execute.
Chimicho.
Emolga.
Magikarp.
Grumpig.
Bunnelby.
Cinchino.
What? Shallow.
Reverse Hollow. Minchino. Ooh.
Hakamo-O and
Hollow Gengar.
we have that. No, we don't.
Hold on, wait on me.
Okay, so
I'm slow. Alright, ready?
what was that?
There's ghosts making noise in the house.
I can't get it open.
Alright, let's see if I can remember the pack trick this time.
What is the front?
Ready? Oh yeah, pack trick.
1, 2.
Just do 4 to the
3,
front.
4. Don't look at it.
Oh shoot.
What do you get?
Psychic.
Fighting.
You saw it.
I know. Steel energy.
Peking red card.
Pale Swine.
Grumpig.
Peking Red Claw.
Mewile. A Maywile.
Miltank.
Numel.
Houndour.
Minchino.
Spoink.
Execute.
Mischievous.
Jigglypuff.
Pikachu.
Houndour.
Chimicho.
Reverse Hollow. Remoraid.
Blue Shallow Blast and ooh, how'd you get it?
Houndoom. How'd you get that?
Done.
Somebody tore that one already.
Yeah. Whatever. Wasn't it?
Uh-oh. This is our 4th pack each.
They all got a GX.
Dang it, I keep screwing up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Grass. What do you think?
Psychic.
Ah. Alright, ready?
Rock energy.
Grumpig.
Devour.
Maywile.
Alone Graveler.
Emolga.
Cincino.
Numel.
Cylinder.
Minchino.
Weedle.
Execute.
Minchino.
Jigglypuff.
What the heck? Warfare.
Houndour.
Ghastly. Reverse
Regigigas.
Halogeno and
Oranguro.
Betrayal.
I like that Oranguro. That's a cool card. All right, last pack. Who you got? Who's your pack art? Who's that?
It's about that's.
Is that Buzzwole?
Yeah, that's Buzzwole.
All right. Oh, I showed it. That's okay.
Oh, that first card. Man.
4. All right, I'm getting this one right. Ready? Fighting.
Fire.
Ah, what's mine?
Fighting.
Grass.
Fire energy. Kakuna.
Staravia.
Lilion.
Lusamine.
Dashing Couch. Bumblebee.
Hey, what's this guy's name?
Akawakawada.
Esaglor
Ka-
Acelgor. Ghastly.
Killer Blast.
Staryu.
Boink.
Cacnea.
Sulanda. Mankey.
Stuffle.
Swinner. And.
Shelmet. Poltergeist.
And. Pop.
Cacturn. And a Gengar. Oops. Well, that was 10 packs.
Okay.
What do we get?
Nothing!
2 Gengars and a Regigigas.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you next time.
No.
Hey, make sure you like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe, turn on the notifications.
Yeah, that's what he said.
And comment.
Yeah. See ya.